All right, we're going to try to start the 20G. It's the beginning of June and we haven't started it since November. So let's see what we got. Got my jumper box on it because the battery's dead. It has some problem with the hydraulics and it's not lifting the hydraulics. It also has a problem with the charging system, which is not working right. And I just want to show you guys why it's not working right. Last year I found this, which is a magnet from the stator, all crushed up, stuck against one of the tins when I was working on the starter or something. So I think we need either a magnet or a flywheel, but we're going to start it up and drive it up to the garage and work on the hydraulics first. I think I might have a lead on a flywheel, so we'll see what we can figure out. All right, let's put the choke on. Throttle's in idle. This has a finicky safety on the foot switch. It's hard to find the right spot. Oh. The starter needs oil again. Listen to that. There we go. Come on, baby. Start, baby, start. Come on, dude. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Not cool. All right, we got some carb cleaner here. We're going to give this a little starting assistance. Doesn't want to spray out of the can. Let's really, oh, it has to be level. It doesn't want to come out. Let's see. Stupid junk. It's going everywhere but in the intake. That's annoying, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see. Well, I see a little puddle in there. There's a little puddle.
Water?
No, let's see if we get lucky here. All right, let's give it another shot. Let's see if I can get off it without the safety switch going in the seat. Okay, cool. Alright, so the hydraulics are not working. I tried to crack the fitting on the pump to like bleed some fluid through there. I'll show you. I cracked this top nut down here. This is the hydraulic pump. You can see a little wet trail on the axle. There was fluid there coming out. I suspect that there's not enough fluid in here for it to work, but these G-Series don't have a real reservoir like the old tractors do. The only thing they have is the filter. So before I had taken the filter off and made sure it was full all the way to the top of the filter. Then I put it back on. I'm going to take the filter off again and see if it's lower now. And if it is, then I'll put some more fluid in and we'll try it again. Let me take it off. All right, the filter's off and it's full right up to the top of the filter. So I think our next step is to basically take the pump off and inspect the pump. Make sure that the gear is actually working and that it doesn't have like a sheared key or some stupid thing like that. But this thing is full right as high as you can possibly get it here. Once we know that it's working right, we're going to get a new filter and drop this Fram, get rid of this junk. But it's frustrating. All right, so I'm going to pull the pump here off the 20G. I just took both the lines off the pump and there's plenty of fluid draining through them. So fluid getting to the pump doesn't seem to be what the issue was. The pumps have two hex keys on them to take them off. So let's see here. I think it's this size. Yeah, it's like a 5/16, but the way they build this pump is that you can't use a socket because this casting here is right in the way. So I think I got to just find a good old 5/16 Allen key, just standard, non-ratchet style. See if we can get them two screws off of there. You ever have these moments? Find the Allen keys. Look, the 5/16 slot's empty. Who knows where the heck I put it? All right, so I have a 5/16 over here in this brand new Craftsman set that I got around Christmas time. So this thing's big, so let's see if we can get that screw out with this one. All right, so the hex key that I got is too long. I need a short one, and that's a long one. Of course, I have like 3 packs of them. Can't find any of them. I found one pack and it's missing the 5/16. Says every other one in there, but it's missing the 5/16. And I had like a drawer full of them in my nut and bolt assortment place. Can't find anything. So I have another tool kit, and I went and looked at that one, and it only goes through 1/4 inch, and I need 5/16. So I go to Home Depot. I said maybe I'll just go buy one, and all their sets go up through 1/4 inch and don't go to 5/16. You can buy a $25 set, and that has 5/16, but I'm not gonna spend 25 bucks to get one. So I guess I gotta keep looking in my messy workbench and see if I can find these stupid things. What a pain. Here's what the issue is, that where the hex key is, it's exactly opposite this. It's like down here under these lines. And the problem is that you got a brake drum over here for the steering brakes, and that long key hits it. And there's not enough travel down here under the clutch to use it like this way. You can only go about this much. And the screw's like 1 inch long, so I'd be here all day for that. And I was hoping I could just go in this way and turn it and pull it out like this. But again, this is too long. It's into the rim, it's into the, you know, the steering brake drum. So I guess I could cut this, but I really didn't want to cut it because it's brand new out of that Craftsman set. I didn't really want to cut a brand new tool the first time I use it, but whatever. By the way, someone's been in here before. I can see like RTV sealant behind this hydraulic pump here, and that's not factory, so I think somebody's been in here before. So I'm trying to take the pump off because there's fluid in the system and it's not working. So I basically have 2 things that could be wrong. Either the pump screwed up or the actual valve body's messed up, and I don't know which one it is, but I'm going to start with the pump. There could be like a sheared key on it or some stupid thing, but it's really rare that parts fail in these hydraulic systems, but something's failed, so I got to figure it out.